Paulie because I want to tell you about an amazing new product, the Blue Dog Square. This thing is awesome. So it's not a typical framing square, because when you want to take a typical framing square and you want to get it up against the edge like that to do a square edge, you got to line it up and be really careful. With the Blue Dog Square, because of those little dogs that hang down, you just set it down like that, put it up against the edge, and you are totally perfect. Doesn't matter where you move it, put it down, it lines up perfectly. Absolutely an awesome product, very innovative. Barry Mack is the inventor of it. Barry Mack's also the inventor of the amazing Blue Dogs. Look at those things that pop up on your workbench. This is the Flex workbench, comes built into that. Barry is a very innovative guy, comes up with great ideas. I'm gonna let you hear from Barry now. He's gonna show you how he uses the Blue Dog Square.
Hey, my name is Barry Mack. Work with Paul at FastCap to bring my new patent-pending dog square to market. This may look like a conventional carpenter square to you, but upon closer inspection, you'll see that there are these dogs mounted in both legs of the square. I'll show you how this works. We need a reference line. We typically hold the square over the edge like so. And you know, we're always concerned about this edge is lifting up. We're gonna get that line where we want it. Now you don't worry about that. You just throw it over the edge, the dogs fall over the edge, and it holds it securely in place so you can draw your reference line. If I need a horizontal line, I just throw the square up there, and now there's no more messing with it, holding over the edge and having it slip off. I just let the dogs catch it, place it where I need the line at, and then I've got my reference line. Another beauty about it is once I get my reference lines, throw it up on the table and it's flat. I can use it for a straight edge, for drawing, whatever I need, unlike a fixed edge square that does this. Where this thing really shines, thin material. I mean, down to a 32nd of an inch, you throw this thing up there, there's no guessing that you've got the edge. You do not have to fight trying to get that to fit on that thin edge of anything else. Another place where this really shines is I want to staple off this back or put run screws in a certain place. How many times have you put your square up there on the edge of a panel and it's this? You go to draw, this is far away from the panel. You don't know for sure if your line is going to be right where you want it. Now you just give it a tap, the dogs slide out, catch, and you can see it hangs right there. Line it up where you want it, draw your reference line, and you're done. This is a quality tool that Paul has helped me put together at FastCap. You'll notice it is made 3/16 of an inch thick. It's made of aluminum, so it's not a steel heavy square. It is a nice tool. You'll notice, I want to show you detail here. These dogs, you see the hole there, it is drilled in there to off-weight those dogs so that they easily fall over the edge of a panel. Or like when you saw me use it on the back of the cabinet, when you tap the square, they easily urge out so that they'll easily hang on a vertical surface. So these are available at FastCap.com now.
Another great innovation from the shop floor, only from FastCap.